So first of all, we all understand that it's not every color that you can actually buy off the rack in their original form. So sunflower yellow is, an example of that. So yeah, I was able to come up with how to mix and match to give you that exact shade of sunflower in case you need it for your cakes or anything. Now you're going to be needing lemon yellow icing color paste and then egg yellow icing color paste. You're going to be using more of the egg yellow icing color paste because that is what is going to actually give you the shade very closest to the sunflower yellow. And then the lemon yellow is just to tone things down and make it look a lot more realistic. So let's go together. Okay, so in this video I'm just basically showing you how to mix and fold in gently but firmly so that you can get an even tone of color at the end of the day. Now at this point I already added the second part of the egg yellow food color paste, or rather icing color paste, and I keep mixing, I keep folding in firm strokes but gentle strokes. You don't want to overwork your whipped cream, but make sure to know or remember that before you can keep coloring your whipped cream as you're seeing me do in this video, your whipped cream has to be very super stable, because for it to go through these rigors, it must be one hell of a stable whipped cream so that it doesn't deflate or get soupy. So after folding in, I wasn't satisfied with the shade here, so I added the third part of the egg yellow, and of course I kept folding in and mixing in, folding in and mixing in, and you can still see that even at this point it was still very stable. And yeah, I was satisfied with the result here.